Diabetes is a disease that affects millions of people worldwide, and one of the main treatments is insulin therapy. But have you ever wondered how exactly insulin works in the body to regulate blood sugar levels? This video is about how human insulin works. Human insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas, an important organ of the endocrine system. This hormone plays a crucial role in regulating blood glucose levels in the body, and its mechanism of action is a complex and fascinating process. The first step in the mechanism of action of human insulin is its production. Insulin is produced in specialized cells called pancreatic beta cells. These cells are stimulated to produce insulin when the glucose level in the blood rises after a meal. Once insulin is produced, it is released into the bloodstream, from where it travels to various cells and tissues in the body. Its main targets are the liver, muscles, and fat cells, all of which play a role in regulating blood glucose levels in the body. In the liver, insulin helps regulate blood glucose levels by promoting the uptake of glucose into cells and its conversion into glycogen for storage. In muscles, insulin promotes the uptake of glucose for energy. In fat cells, insulin promotes the storage of glucose as fat. Insulin's mechanism of action also includes its effects on other hormones, such as glucagon, which is produced by the pancreas and has the opposite effect of insulin. Glucagon stimulates the liver to release glucose into the bloodstream, counteracting the action of insulin. Insulin and glucagon work together in a delicate balance to regulate blood glucose levels in the body and ensure that they remain within a healthy range. In summary, the functioning of human insulin is a complex and fascinating process that involves the production, release, and effects of this hormone on various cells and tissues in the body. Its role in regulating blood glucose levels is critical to the treatment of diabetes and is a testament to the amazing capabilities of the human body. We hope this video has helped you better understand how human insulin works. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about diabetes and insulin therapy, please contact your healthcare provider.